fastest growing AI niches on social media right now. These satisfying, hand-carved wooden car videos are pulling in serious views, and some brand new pages are growing ridiculously fast. One account called Woody Car Lab gained over 14,000 followers in just 5 days, with only a handful of videos uploaded. And the reason people can't stop watching is simple. Every video shows the full transformation, from a rough block of wood to a detailed, finished car. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to recreate this content style from scratch using free AI tools. I've already created a prompt that automates the entire workflow, and you can use it to produce multiple videos every day without paying for expensive software. More importantly, this isn't just content you can post for views. Because the videos show a complete, original, step-by-step creation process, they also have real potential for building and monetizing a faceless channel. I'll show you how to choose the car, generate the full transformation video, download it, and prepare it for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. And stay until the end, because I'll also show you how to get the exact prompt completely free. Before we begin, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next profitable AI trend I uncover. Now let's get started. All right, so the first thing you're going to need is a chatbot. You can use Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, or any other chatbot you prefer. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use ChatGPT. Once you open ChatGPT, type, "Give me 10 car brand names and models." After typing that into the chat, go ahead and click Send. ChatGPT will process the request and generate 10 different car brands and models. As you can see here, we have options like Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, Mercedes-Benz C-Class, BMW 3 Series, Audi A4, and several other vehicles. Once the list has been generated, the next thing you need is the Google document containing the prompt I created for this workflow. I'll explain how to get access to the prompt at the end of the video, so stick around so you don't miss it. Once you open the Google document, go ahead and copy the entire prompt. Make sure you copy everything correctly without missing any important section. After copying the prompt, open Google Flow. Once Google Flow opens, click on New Project. After clicking New Project, Google Flow will open another interface that looks like this. As you can see, Google Flow gives us 50 credits, which refresh every day. With these credits, we should be able to create around 3 videos in this particular niche. Now head over to the Settings tab. Make sure Video Mode is selected. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 because we're creating vertical, short-form videos. For the output, select 1 because we only need one result. For the video model, select OmniFlash. Then set the video duration to 10 seconds. You can also choose 8, 6, or 4 seconds, depending on how long you want your video to be. Once the settings are correct, paste in the prompt you copied from the Google document. At the bottom of the prompt, you'll see a section labeled Subject. This is where you need to enter the car brand, model, and color you want to create. Come back to ChatGPT and choose any car from the list. For this first example, I'm going to use a Mercedes-Benz C-Class, so I'll copy that, come back to Google Flow, and replace the subject with the car name. After that, I'll add the color red. So the complete subject will be a red Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Once that's done, click Send. Google Flow will automatically start generating the video. If it says queued, that means the generation process has already started, but the platform is currently handling other requests. All you have to do is wait patiently. The video generation usually takes around 10 to 20 seconds. After a few seconds, our video is ready. Let's preview it and see what the output looks like. As you can see, the entire process came out really clean. It starts with the raw wood, carves it into the shape of the vehicle, smooths the surface, adds the tires, applies the paint, and finishes with the completed car on the road. Now we're going to repeat the process because we still have around 35 credits remaining. Come back to the Google document and copy the full prompt again. Then return to Google Flow and paste it into the chat. Now come back to ChatGPT and choose another car model. For this example, I'm going to use a Lexus RX 350. I'll copy it, return to Google Flow, and paste it into the subject section. Then I'll add the color yellow. So this time, we're creating a yellow Lexus RX 350. Once everything is ready, hit Send. When it says queued, remember that the video is already being processed, so we just need to wait. After a few seconds, our second video is ready. Let's preview it. As you can see, the output also came out clean and satisfying. These videos perform well because people want to watch the entire crafting process, from the raw piece of wood to the finished vehicle. We still have around 20 credits left, so let's create one more video. Come back to the Google document, copy the prompt again, return to Google Flow, and paste it into the chat. Now, come back to ChatGPT and choose another vehicle. For this example, I'm going to use a Tesla Model 3. Copy the car name and replace the subject section with it. This time, I'm going to use a completely different color, pink. This shows that you can choose any vehicle color you want and still get a clean result. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Google Flow will start generating the third video automatically. Now, all we have to do is wait for the result. After a few seconds, our output is ready. Let's preview it. As you can see, the pink Tesla came out really clean. The entire transformation process looks smooth, satisfying, and realistic. You can barely tell that the video was created using AI. Once your videos are ready, go ahead and download them. You can post them on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any other social media platform. To get the full prompt completely free, leave a comment saying, "Done," and I'll send it to you. I'll also be sharing more workflows like this, so make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, and check back for future updates. I'll see you in the next one.